मैं सोच रही थी हमें 4 बजे करना चाहिए था वार्म अप के लिए। अब मेरे को वैक्सीनेशन का थोड़ा बहुत साइड इफेक्ट होने लगा। हाँ चलो। मेरे को आज किसी ने अनसब्सक्राइब कर दिया यार टीजर देख के, मुझे बड़ा गुस्सा आया।
मैं बड़ा नर्वस था पता आने से पहले,
क्या?
जब तुम लोगों को फर्स्ट टाइम पूछा था कि
हाँ।
आओगे, तो नर्वस तगड़ा। अबे यार तो अता पता है, कुछ भी नहीं पता है क्या कुछ नहीं है पूरे टाइम। पर हाँ,
बट मैं अच्छी होस्ट
एक्चुअली
हूँ,
थॉट आई से दैट।
ऐसा बोलना चाह रहा हूँ।
हाँ हाँ, फिर लाइक ओके ठीक है, जब होगा तब देख।
Hi guys, I'm Arushi Bhatia and today I'm here with book 4 of my human library. And this person, he was my senior during college years और हम एक play के time मिले थे, हमने एक play किया था तो उस time he directed that play and I was a part of it, so that's how we met and talked to each other. He is the kind of person who is reserved. When you get to know him, when you talk to him, you'll find out that he has really interesting ideas about life and he has a lot to offer. He has knowledge about these things, but yeah, but he is not the kind of person to indulge in small talks. Even till date, he is very, even if you're talking to him informally, you'll feel that you're in a professional setup. So I'm adding Ashish Mishra. Yeah. हाँ, आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करो जो जिन लोगों आपको जानते नहीं उनके लिए।
My name is Ashish. I'm a working professional. On Infosys, I work in that company, senior system engineer, age 24. इससे ज़्यादा तो ज़रूरत नहीं। तो यही है। बाकी हॉबीज में क्या है, मेरे को नाचना पसंद है एंड आई राइट एंड आई टॉक अबाउट क्रिकेट ऑन अ चैनल कॉल्ड स्ट्रिक्टली क्रिकेट। जिसका
पर्सनल
लिंक
आप।
डिस्क्रिप्शन में शायद होगा।
हाँ। ये बताओ कि आपको आइडिया कैसे आया उसके बारे में, मतलब कहाँ कब स्टार्ट हुआ आइडिया और फिर पूरा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे?
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्या, डिस्कस तो कर ही रहा हूँ क्रिकेट स्टार्टिंग से, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि कर नहीं रहा हूँ। तो कर रहा था फिर लास्ट ईयर मुझे शाश्वत ने बोला कि ये तो यार हम भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने कहा हाँ कर सकते हैं, बस खत्म। वहाँ पे बात खत्म हो गई थी, आगे कभी नहीं
बस।
गई। फिर अचानक अभी उसने 1 महीने पहले मेरे को बोला कि मतलब मैंने उसको बताई है कि उसकी कुछ लोगों ने अपना चैनल शुरू किया है, वो लोग करते हैं क्रिकेट डिस्कस ये सब वगैरह। कह रहे तो हम भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने कहा है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं। दोपहर में डिसाइड हुआ था, शाम को हम लोग पहला शूट कर रहे थे, ट्रायल शूट थे ऑब्वियसली, पर शाम को हम लोग कर रहे थे। हाँ, उस दिन कर अगले दिन शाम को कर रहे थे, बिकॉज आई हैड टू फिगर आउट ड्रॉइड कैम, मेरे को पता था हाउ इट वर्क्स, बट आई हैड टू फिगर आउट अ वे कि क्या था, वॉइस का मेरे को इशू भी चेक करना था और मुझे देखना था कि व्हाट ऑल इज पॉसिबल। तो वो सब चेक करने में मेरे को एक दिन शायद लगा था। तो फिर हाँ, वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग। ट्रायल पे थे, पहले हमने फोन पे ट्राई किया। इट डिडंट लुक इम्पैक्टफुल, इट वाज लाइक इट लुक वेरी ऑड, है ना, क्योंकि बैकग्राउंड अच्छा हो किसी का तो फिर भी है, अब बैकग्राउंड अगर बेकार सा हो तो डिस्ट्रैक्ट यू। तो हमने सोचा कि हाँ तेरा सही है, इट्स लाइक स्टिल प्लेन, देयर इज अ गेट एंड देयर इज अ वॉल। विद मी लाइक ये
पर्सनल
टॉगल
अटैक नहीं कर
अटैक दिख
सकते आप।
जाएगी। हाँ,
पर्सनल अटैक नहीं कर
नो दैट
सकते
इज ट्रू।
आप।
अटैक का क्या है, तो जैसे अभी टॉगल अटैक दिख जाएगी या फिर कोई क्रॉस करता, यहाँ से तो क्रॉस करते हुए नहीं दिखेगा, पर यूजुअली अगर जहाँ मेरा प्रीवियस सेटअप में सोच रहा था वहाँ पे कोई क्रॉस करते हुए दिख जाएगा और कहीं से कुछ हो गया तो बैकग्राउंड का आइडिया आया कि बैकग्राउंड लगा के करते हैं, इट माइट लुक मोर प्रोफेशनल। क्योंकि सुनने में ठीक लग रहा था, सुनने में इट वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है, 4 लोग डिस्कस करने क्रिकेट, दैट इज गुड। फिर हमने एक और ट्रायल वीडियो किया था। उसके बाद फिर उसमें हमको पता चला कि क्या इंट्रो वाला चीज़ बेटर आ रही है कि नहीं, फील बेटर आ रहा है कि नहीं। तो वो दो तीन चीज़ें ऐड कर दी। तो फिर हमने एक और ट्राई, वो जो हमारा एक्चुअली राजस्थान का फर्स्ट वीडियो, दैट इज अ ट्रायल शूट। हम लोग प्लान नहीं कर रहे थे कि उसको अपलोड करेंगे, बट देन इट एंडेड, एवरीबॉडी वाज लाइक वाओ व्हाट, क्या बना दिया है। एंड
हाँ अच्छा है वो।
लाइक अपलोडेड। हाँ, चलता वही चलाइए। तो तो फिर हमने फिर वो अपलोड कर दिया, वो उसी दिन एडिट करके उसी दिन प्रीमियर कर दिया था। एक्साइटेड थे बहुत ज़्यादा। अभी तो है 15-20 दिन की बात है। ठीक है, स्ट्रिक्टली क्रिकेट
तो
नाम भी हमने
ऐस
ट्राई किया। एक्चुअली फर्स्ट वीडियो में जो नाम है, एवरीबॉडी
हाँ।
सेइंग क्रिकेट अड्डा, Okay, and I was like, क्रिकेट सर्च किया, यूट्यूब पे चैनल्स थे. I was like, okay, this cannot work. Then this Strictly Cricket came in because I was like, okay, let's only talk about cricket, or if there'll be jokes, then there'll be cricket jokes. So the memes वगैरह भी अगर हम जो बना रहे हैं, those are also on cricket only, and even the shorts will be like everything will be cricket only. So that is the idea.
और ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आप जितना कॉलेज में हमारी जितनी इंटरेक्शन थी वो तो आई वाज अज्यूमिंग कि वैसी पर्सनालिटी ना थोड़ी इंटिमिडेटिंग तो मतलब कि इन द सेंस कि मुझे मैंने कभी इमेजिन नहीं किया था यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा तो आपको ऑकवर्ड नहीं लगा फर्स्ट टाइम या वैसा कुछ
हाँ, I don't like camera. मैं starting में I didn't even like to get clicked. If somebody used to click me, I was like, please don't. वो था मेरे साथ काफी टाइम तक था. But then over time, I sort of gave up. So if you look into my photos, in 2012 to 2014, 15, around that time, I've given up on my photos. It looks like this. This is how I am. You just click it, I don't care. So, so that's most of my photos are that. That's why I almost felt as if you cannot escape it. So I accepted the camera will be there, and when the idea came in, I was ready to be part of it only because you cannot have an analysis because of that. And if you postpone this idea, this channel idea, because you cannot face camera, then this will not be the first thing that you'll be missing out because you cannot face camera or because you cannot face people. So uh, at some point of time in your life, you have to decide that there have to be certain changes in your personality or actions that will help you in some way or the other. So I'm not saying it's something that I thought of as a hobby that will help me or something, but I just thought that this is something which is stopping me or stopping actually anyone, like anyone who has good content or can talk about something, like even you wanted to start this channel. If you had that hindrance that I cannot face camera, or I might be a voice on in the background or something, then it will delay it to a point that it will never happen. So but one day decide that okay, I'll pick up my camera and then I'll start shooting and I'll get people. So then it looks more possible. So every next video that you'll do, you will feel as if, oh, this is easy. It's not that big a deal, right? It felt a big deal maybe a month back, maybe 2 months back, maybe last year when you tried starting this channel. So once you start doing it, then it's fine. So now I've shot over 20 videos, so it doesn't even feel as if it's something. It takes me 5 minutes to set it up, and then I start talking, and then it's the spontaneous stuff. Okay, I'll tell you like how smaller things impact me. So I was in second year. I was in second year, and I hated everybody in my class, which is a college branch. So it
कोई
was
देख
just
रहा
like
होगा
that.
तो
It's fine. So they know. They saw it first time. So I hated everybody in my class, and one thing led to another. I was like, there was almost as if I'm going into a battle every day. When I entered the class, it was like okay, 25 people against me. Not actually all 25 people were against me, but it felt as if because I neglected a set of people, and the remaining I was not on good talking terms with, or I didn't they didn't interest me or something, or I pushed them away. So I entered into the class every day. So it felt as if people are stupid, and the way teens are. Like I was 19 then. So the idea is okay, I am right. That is given. That is a fact that I am right. Other people have serious issues. They should sort it out. And the world has to live the way I want it. If it doesn't, then this world cannot survive. This is the mentality I think usually teens have. Nobody understands me. I get everything. I'm super intelligent, super smart. So one day I was telling this to my brother that that's too. Like I told him about an event or an incident, And he said that, oh, you shouldn't be doing that. And I was like, no, 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 they're stupid. You haven't met them. Meet them. You'll know they're stupid. So then he told me, like, no, those people are stupid. Even if they're stupid in your college. But you will move out of a college one day. And then you won't see stupid people, right? Then you will meet people who are not stupid. Then you will meet people who needs a better version of you. But if you're spending your time, or if you've spent most of your, like, what do you call, uh, what is that word for, like, if these years are forming a personality inside of me, if they're making me a person who I will be in, later in my life, they just put a word or maybe don't need a word. So uh, these are like basically building a structure inside of me. So once you come out of your college life, you will be reacting to those people. You will be reacting to everyone like you used to react to those set of people who maybe are not good. We're not sure, but who maybe are not good. So then you will face a lot of problems because you were never ready for those kind of people. You always treated everyone like trash, and it's like you're still doing that, and this will not help you. So that was the first time I thought that okay, there's a life in future as well. You cannot be judging everything on the basis of what your present condition is. You have to prepare for your future. So also he told me one line that you build a character, like you create a character, and then character does things for you.
Mm.
From that day, I decided. I told you that actually previously.
Mm.
So so that is the idea that I started to live by. That if I don't know how to do it, if I cannot do it, then I'll create a character who can do it. As I think there's Shah Rukh Khan. I like this guy. Then there's Dhoni. I like that guy. There's Cumberbatch. He's good. There's Hugh Jackman. So there's Keanu Reeves is there. So and there are many more that I'm missing out on. I just steal certain things from these people because I am creating a character that is going to live my life. Because I decided in second year, or I got to know in second year that this personality cannot live through life.
So
Ah,
when you were living, you're building your character as you say. So for 2 years, no, like you didn't like anybody, and you had this perception that nobody liked you, or I don't know, but you didn't talk to anybody mostly, right? So after third year, when you started talking to people, they were unwelcoming because of the previous 2 years that you behaved with them, and like even if you were improving and building your own character to basically be cordial with them, they were still unwelcoming. And what was your reaction then? That I'm so improving, still they are unwelcoming and all.
but that is not my problem. Like,
Mm.
how people react to how I am, or how, like, if I'm good with somebody and they don't care about it, it doesn't impact me because again, I'm working on myself. This is something that I need to do to live through life, to fight through my own demons. So you don't even know that I have those. It doesn't even matter to you. So why would you care if I am being nice to you, or there's a constant effort from my side, or if I do certain things, if I don't do certain things, I am doing it because I have a problem that I need to fix, and that will help who, me. So in a way, you're the sole warrior in this entire thing. That okay, you take the responsibility that you want to do something, and that's why you do it. It does not matter if people join or not. It does not matter if people understand it or not. As long as you're clear with your idea of being, it should be fine. Or I'm not saying that okay, this will always work. This will not work. You will feel bad. There will be expectations from people, and then you'll be like okay, disappointed and everything. But that is the learning process, right? Like if you can let yourself get spoiled each year, like if I let myself get spoiled for 19 years, then I deserve these reactions. Maybe that is part of the process, or the transition will it cannot be that smooth, right? Like one day I decided like that's super, what do you call, uh, super delusional. That one day I decided to be better, while the world is not better. It cannot be, right? So, so that's super delusional. Do not give that much importance to yourself.
So, yeah, one more question I had that
That is the idea.
so your sole idea to build a character or to change yourself was like, is it because you wanted people to like you, or is it because you wanted to talk to people and you wanted to basically socialize out?
It was not like I wanted the, uh, some part of whatever you do will always be selfish, and obviously in order to improve yourself, or in order to improve yourself, you are doing certain things, but it never felt as if like I want to uh, please anyone or something. It's just part of the character, I think, that if I can say, it's a harmless character. So until messed with, there's no way I'll go about it, or I'll do something about it. So that is one thing. And about people liking me, like not liking me, I told you, right? I have immense faith in the type of person I am. So if they have enough, they've spent enough time with me, they will end up liking me. Uh, that's delusional in a way, but okay, still. But that is the idea. And even if I'm wrong, or if even if I see something lacking, if something doesn't work, then obviously you have your life to change it. So maybe in 3 months you won't, maybe in 6 months you won't understand, maybe in 1 year you won't understand, but one day somebody will come and tell you that, okay, this is the problem with you, change that. Maybe it won't hit you that day, but it will hit you 1 week later, maybe 1 month later, maybe. Then you'll know, okay, yeah, maybe this is the change I need to bring in myself. So you keep talking to, it's like, if I tell you, it's like AI. That, whenever a new problem is faced, and then you're like, oh, do this now. So it's very similar to that.
So you said that like you found people stupid till second year, and I believe even when we interacted for the
Nice.
first time, yeah, that's what I was saying. You used to, because you are the kind of person who does not indulge in like small talks per se. You want
I
something to
get
the
it.
conversation, something deep to the conversation. And so, do you still find people stupid? Yeah, so you already answered that. But like, what is one thing that you cannot stand? If you are talking to someone, if you are interacting with someone, that one thing that annoys you to your core, like this cannot, I cannot stand now, and how do you handle it?
Something has to repeat enough number of times for me to get irritated. It's not like, in
Mm,
the very first conversation I will not react like, if I meet a new guy and then he tells me something about it, I won't be pissed off, because like, why? I don't know you. Maybe you're
mm,
coming from some other background. In the first instance, obviously you cannot get irritated, you should not get irritated, because you don't know the person fully. So basically, oh, nice cut. Insensitivity in people is something that थोड़ा वो होता है कि, because how can you be like that? But that comes over time. You cannot call someone insensitive in the first go. So over time, you see that, okay, this was insensitive behavior, or somebody. Mostly it's like that. It's not like I cannot stand or anything. I still think that if I am concerned with that person, I'll try to tell them, because that should how things should happen. Because if you know what a problem is, or if you know a problem becoming, or if you see something becoming into a problem, then it's sort of uh, becomes your responsibility, or something that you tell people, because otherwise you're letting it become a problem, then an issue, then something huge. So that is it. Not like I cannot stand anything. Also I worked on calmness, because I mentioned Tony, right? So I started working on that calm part, that I should be calm. Because of that, also I don't react to a lot.
it's
React as in, I don't think it's react worthy. Yeah.
हाँ वो बताइए आप as you said that you worked in Infosys so obviously you have a BTech I know that you have a BTech degree but for the people who don't know वैसे सारे हमारे फ्रेंड्स ही देखेंगे और कौन देखेगा but हाँ so did you always want to be an engineer?
So when I was young, there were channels like Discovery and all. Discovery Turbo was one channel which mainly focused on how things are made, and there was this uh, show called how is this made. So really like that show. Really like the idea that okay, this is how things are made. Okay, this is like oh, this is ultra slow motion and all. Wow, it looks really cool and everything. But when I started growing up, when I thought okay, this is the idea, and doctor, engineer, IAS, these are only three options people usually have. So I was like, okay, I'm going into the engineering field and I'll make something. That's what I thought. That's what I thought people do in their college. They make things, but they don't. Like in the college I went, there nothing happens and nothing happened. It's not like I was putting efforts and nothing happened. It was like I also didn't put efforts, but I gave up before because I was 18, 19, and I was like, okay, world is stupid. They should have served me with a machine when I entered the college. They would have been like, "Oh, Ashish, you should come there, do something, create something." That's how delusional most of us are. So, because the opportunity was not there, or because the services was not there, I was also not very welcoming of the fact that okay, something can happen out of it. I also gave up. So that's how things are. Also, why I am an engineer, so anybody can be an engineer. Just I think anybody can be because the system is so hackable.
If you were to contrast among your personalities of school personality, college personality, and professional, what is like major differences? What are the major differences that you see, positive or negative both?
In school, I didn't have a personality because I didn't know anything. Most of my school life, I was just existing of sorts because it's like, okay, this is how things are, this is how people are, and ha ha ha. That was it. In 11th, 12th, I became the class clown, if I can call that, or if I have to write it in my resume, then I was the funniest guy in my class. I ranked first when it came to being funny. So what happened was when I started making jokes and all, because I told you I lost interest in everything. So I was making jokes and also it was not much of a personality. Personality wise, there's not much, but the only thing that keeps me thinking that okay, something was right with me was because I was writing at that time also. Uh, Whenever I got an opportunity or whenever I thought I had something, I was writing something. So that is the only thing because of which I feel that okay, there was something with me. And honestly, if I really have to think like what was it, I cannot because it's way too past in my life. It's not like I'm too old, but I don't recall it that well as if. No, currently, if I do something, I know how I made that decision. In college, in school life, I don't even remember how I made those decisions, or if I did. So I really don't know if the personality thing suits really well, or if I can call that being a personality, it's like normal kid type. In college, when I came in after watching a show called Sherlock. So I was Sherlock. That's what I used to do. I used to tell things about people, deducing based on whatever they were wearing or just looking at their face. Because a lot of people I don't know if they know it, but there's a lot of tell. Tell is basically a sign which gives you an idea about what a person is. So like whatever thing you can have a tell of almost everything. So I used to look at people and I was like, okay, you do this, you do that, you did this, you did that, and it was right. It was right a lot. I was like, oh, I am Sherlock. Uh, there is no other conclusion possible. So that's how I entered college. And then after that, uh, after some time, I stopped doing it because there was a lot of issue around that. I will not go there. There was a lot of stuff happening. So I thought, okay, maybe this Sherlock thing is not right. And maybe I should dive into this real world for what it is. So slowly 2015 second year happened, and the second year also passed away. It felt as if okay, there's not much. Then the change happened, majorly because of what I told you initially. That I thought that this personality type, uh, adaptability is a great personality trait, true, but you can not always be adapting to situations, right? There are certain situations that need you. So when do you know that okay, I'm good at that? You will never know. You will never know you're good at something if you're not doing it. You're like, okay, I can adapt. Like if you want me to dance, okay, I can dance. If you want me to sing, okay, maybe I can sing. So you don't really know what type you are. You don't really know what you do good unless you practice that or you know how you function. So being adaptive, if I can say that I was adaptive in situations because uh, whatever happened, I was like, ah, I can do it. So that is not a very good trait. Later in life, it becomes a good trait because you have this. Okay, I do these three things good enough, and then the rest of five or six things that I can do just fine. That's adapting, right? That okay, I do these four or five things are there which I'm really good at. Then the 10, 12 things which I can just work out. So that is still a better form of adaptability. But if you're just adapting to anything that comes to you, I think that's basically you're losing on your opportunities and then you're losing on your possible talent that you could have. Because now I'm 24, I'm about to be 25. A lot of possibilities have already ended, right? And I don't think people realize that every day you're aging or every year you're aging, maybe you're losing on to something that you could have been great at.
I crumble under pressure.
प्रेशर को बता दूं how to handle pressure.
हाँ हाँ बता दो how to handle pressure.
See, basically, whenever something happens, uh, can be most of the things when they happen, there's a small moment of time where your brain registers it
Hmm.
ये हो गया है ना. And there's a very small moment where you make the decision. अभी तो पैनिक ही कर सकते हैं और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. So don't obviously बहुत simple, don't do that वो वाली बात आ जाएगी, लेकिन but if you try to steal those seconds, steal those microseconds and be like okay, something can be done, okay, or okay, pressure आ रहा है but I can handle it, or I have made five things or four things, two things or even one thing that works. जब प्रेशर में मैं होता हूँ, whenever I'm under pressure, there are certain like these sort of things that I'll do, and then I won't have pressure. I won't feel the pressure at least. Then that can be a fake personality. A lot of people have that. Uh, like if you try to bully someone, if you tell someone that okay, something is wrong with you, or if you try to like if boss calls you or if, your mother calls you and asks you like why did you do that, there's a mistake made from your end, you know that you have to prepare something, right? And by the time you're leaving your room till you're going to that room or maybe wherever they're calling you, you are preparing yourself to okay, these will be the questions, this will be my response. So basically you're preparing yourself for particular event. So in those moments, so even when something huge happens or something happens to you in your life or something, then the first reaction usually is so oh, I'm panicking, and then you start panicking about the fact that you are panicking. So just try and work and save that time. Just know that okay, it's like when you're getting angry, I still think anybody who gets angry knows that they're getting angry, and then they allow themselves to get to stay angry or get more angry. So I follow the same idea while in a pressure situation, and while if something pisses me or pisses me off or if I'm getting angry. I know that okay, this is making me angry. So maybe just give me some time. Almost all the times you cannot do that, obviously, because certain things require quick reaction, and then you might end up doing something wrong, or you might end up saying something wrong. But that is fine. It's not like you have to be 100% perfect the next time you do it. You just have to do it slightly better the next time you do it. So, as I told you, coming in front of the camera, the next time you do it, you're more confident. The next time this happens, you'll be like, "Huh, I've done it." So, basically, prepping yourself, being like slightly better than the last one, I think that will also work.
हाँ, basically
It's a
fooling
process.
your mind कि ऐसा हो रहा है
Obviously,
वैसा.
yes. So the video has ended. तो जैसा भी था जो भी था, I hope you liked it. At least like it for Arushi because she's really working hard for these. And बहुत अच्छा initiative है. Try to promote it. Try to get like if you know somebody who's really interesting, please comment it like you want that particular person to be on this channel. Uh, अच्छा लगेगा मतलब और almost I think she'll also agree that people are invited that if they want to come in they can try for that. Also like share subscribe to Strictly Cricket क्योंकि वो मेरा channel है. No,
हाँ,
uh,
link will be in the description.
link in the description. Like share subscribe to this channel, share it as much as possible. It is a very nice concept. I don't think a lot of people are doing that in India. And just know that it's easier and there are a lot of new things that she's trying to come up with, and you'll definitely see that in times to come. So subscribe it for that, and notification wali bhi baja do yaar. That is also good. So thank you.
Okay, so guys, that was Ashish Mishra, and he was my senior in college, and he readily agreed to do this. And you'll see how he lived his life and what was his approach towards life, what were the challenges that he faced. Yeah, so basically that was it with this video, and I hope you really liked it. And he is a really interesting, he is a really interesting person if you get to know him. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked it, and like, share, subscribe, as you said. See you in the next episode. Bye.